Today we're going to talk about 4 types of sentences. And maybe some of these sentence types you already know about. The first type is a statement. This I feel really confident. We've been writing a lot of statements. A statement gives some facts and it ends in a, what is this? What does it end in a, everybody tell me?
Period.
It ends in a period. Say statement.
Statement.
Okay. There's a second type. Boys and girls, what does this one say?
Question.
Question ends in a?
Question mark.
We ask questions to get more information and to learn something new. Maybe we're trying to figure something out. You would ask a question. So we have a statement, we have a question. This is the fun one. Do you know what this one says? Say exclamation.
Exclamation.
What does an exclamation end in? Look at it, looks different. What does it end in, Tristan?
Like a line and a dot.
Yeah, a line and a dot. A line and a dot is, say, exclamation mark.
Exclamation mark.
So a statement ends in a period, a question ends in a,
Question mark.
and an exclamation ends in a.
Exclamation point.
There's a 4th type of a sentence. I'm going to tell you about it, but we're not going to talk about it today. Are you ready to hear it? This word says command. Can you say command?
Command.
Also ends in a period. You see how it's the same?